So, good evening from wherever you're listening to me. I was trying to explain to you what you do if you see any of the chart. Let me say if you are doing currency, synthetic futures, crypto, Bitcoin, those kind of stuffs. So, what you need to know in trading is just analysis, and analysis it takes place in 3 time frames. You can pick 3 consecutive time frame, like you can pick a daily time frame. It can go hand in hand with 1 hour. Then you can use 15 minutes or 5 minutes for your entry. You getting my point? Then you can use, like, for example, 4 hour, uh 4 hour for your bias. Then your intermediate time frame, that's for analysis. You can take like 30 minutes. Then you can pick 5 minutes for your entry. I think you are writing down something. So as for me, I normally pick, if I can't see the better version of my direction, I'll go to weekly. So weekly, I'll look how the previous week, like I'll want to see how the previous week closed. So just mute kindly mute. Mute your mic. So I'm saying this. So if you enter the market, what you need to know is, first of all, identify 3 time frames that you're working on with. You can say, I'm starting the daily. What are you looking at the daily? Daily time frame. 1, the bias. The bias, you can call it direction. Is the direction north or south? Secondly, you're looking at intermediate time frame. Intermediate time frame is where now you do your analysis. You're getting what I taught you guys before, like the liquidity grab, the order block system, the fair value gap, the orders. You're getting my point? Then the entry will be at 15 minutes or 5 minutes. I think you've understood that about the first thing you can do in the chart. So you will clear your chart. So in the daily, I'll go to the daily time frame. So in the daily, I'll go to the previous day, which the previous day candle, it's here. Hii ndio candlestick ya jana. You're getting my point? It's here. So I'll mark that. This is just my markup. I'll be marking that candle. I see how today's candle has opened and how it has closed the previous day candle. You're getting my point? So I'll mark this candle. I'll mark that candle. Then what will I do? I'll come to 1 hour. 1 hour. Then I'll try to see how as the candle closed the previous day candlestick. Like I'll see today the candle never closed above it. So if this candle will close above any of it and it will break 2 break of structure, I'll consider buying. You're getting? Like if it breaks the previous day's high, if it breaks previous day's high and it comes back and it retests somewhere, and it retests somewhere like here, then it respects the previous day's low, like that, and goes up. So if it does like this, I'll come back and wait my retest at this point, and I'll enter the market here. Of course, there will be a liquidity grab at this place. Then, wait to explain. Wait to explain. I'm being told that one of the person hapa Steve imepotea, the electricity problem. I'm trying to give out an explanation a bit. So I'll just ask your question as I finish this. So if you wait, if it breaks the previous days, and that's why I told you it's called PDH, previous days high and previous days low. If it breaks at the 1 hour, you'll be waiting at the 1 hour. If it breaks either the lower part or the upper part, you're waiting for a confirmation, 2 confirmation of break of structure. You can wait at 1 hour or 15 minutes, like that. You can wait at that. If I can zoom out this, you can see, like, in fact I did a very big mistake today. Why? I was selling this market after seeing this market has tapped the previous day's high here. Are you seeing this place, Rachel? This place here, this was the previous day's high and this was the previous day's low. So this market came and tapped here. So what I could have done here, now that I never taught you this, you could have waited this market to come and retest at this point, then it breaks again. Like, how could have this market be? It could have tapped this high, came back here as a how can I call the Alex? This is a retest. I mean a retracement. Then I'm waiting this market to come back up to this point and respect this order block. This is my order block. I now not teach you about order block. So it must respect this order block. As it have respected this order block, what will I do? I will wait this market to come back and break this low. It breaks this low up to this point. Then I'll enter this market at this point here. So here will be my breaker block. So I'll wait the market to come back at this point and I'll start selling this market up to the previous day's low here. This will be my take profit and my stop loss will be where? Here, above the previous day's high. This is the best entry confirmation model that can make you $1 million per day if you have nice capital. You're getting my point? Let me analyze another chart. Let me pick volatility 10 index. Yeah, here. So what did I do this? If you're very keen, the other group I don't teach this basic concept. If you're very, very, very keen, I don't teach these concepts. So what you need to do, Rachel, let me name them. Rachel, Alex, Sharon, I don't know who is in again. Alex, yeah, again. So what you need to do, kindly, let me, fuck, what am I doing? Okay, so what you need to do here is simple. One, identify the 3 time frame. So you'll go with the daily. So what you need to do is here, simple. Identify the previous day's candle. I can pick this, my previous day candle. It's this one, like candlestick of yesterday. You're getting? So we are in the daily time frame. What I will do here is I will mark it. You're getting my point? I'll mark it. So after marking it, I'll come to my H1 or H15. I've already marked it. So what am I looking here? This is the previous day high, previous day's low here. I think you're understanding something. So what will I do? If it breaks here, it has broken this here point. I'll wait for 2 consecutive break of structure. Or I can come to 15 minutes time frame here or 30. So I'll wait for 2 consecutive break of structure. Do you know the meaning of break of structure? It is something like this one. It's coming down, then it is coming up again, and it respects the previous day's high, and it will come and respect the previous day's low. It is coming something like this. This is a break of structure. I think you're getting my point. This is a break of structure. Yeah, this is a break of structure. So if you see this, what will you do? You'll wait. If it come back and give you some rejection at this point, you'll wait until it's here. It breaks 2 break of structure. I think you're understanding my point. 2 break of structure. 2 break of structure. So that is a correct confirmation that this market is a selling market. What we are doing here in this market, Rachel, we are not patient in this market. And my mentor usually tells me like this: in trading, you better trade 1 setup per week and make 100,000 than trade 20 trades daily and make a loss of 100,000. You're getting my point? So this is how it does. It has broken twice. So how will you enter this market, Rachel? You'll enter this market. This will be your order block here. So you'll enter this market. If this market comes here, and you'll start selling from this point, and you target where is your take profit? Here. This is your take profit. You're getting my point? This is your take profit, and your stop loss will be where? It can be here above this point, and your take profit is here. You are done for the day. The problem that you're doing here is one. Like, I'm analyzing the trades alone. Nobody is here that can tell me that, hey, this is wrong or this is right. You have entered early or not entered early. So that's what you can do in the market personally. Because you can see V10, the time it broke here, it broke this point. I could have waited the market to come up to this point, sell again, then do the same thing twice, then I can end. But it never did that. Are you seeing this market, Rachel? In the morning I said that it starts selling at this point. Has it made my what do you call analysis? It has not made my analysis, so that is wrong. You getting my point? So that's how you should analyze the market. You're getting. So allow me to analyze another market. Let me pick V75. So V75, what will I do? I'll go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, what will I do? I'll clear everything on the chart. Like, I'm starting everything. If you have ever cooked in a kitchen, I was told that before you start cooking, you need to wash the utensils and everything. I don't know if it's correct. Clean the kitchen and everything, then you start cooking. So I'll clean my chart and mark my previous day's candle. After marking my previous day candle, what will I do? I'll come back to my H1 or H15 here. So another thing that I can tell you guys, that's for another day. I will confuse you with that. So I can go to H1. If I can't see H1, I can go to M15. M15, I look for consecutive break of structure. How will I know now here is the consecutive break of structure? Now that is a what do you call massive movement. I'll see here. Are you seeing this point? It has come. It has broken this point. You know, this is a very big break of structure in 1 minute. At M1 is a very big break of structure. I'm seeing here one, I'm seeing here two, and then it came back and it respected this order block. So you can start selling at this point as you're targeting the previous day's low. I can target this as my point here, either here, here, or even I think it's here, yeah, and it made my take profit. You're getting my point? So if you have any question, you can ask as you continue. Any question? Sharon, any question? You had asked a question before. Sharon, you had asked some question. And you guys, you should be proud because a lot more is coming. A lot more is coming. You know, ask. Okay, I think that's nice.